Friends, everybody needs to know how to make a couple quick, easy meals. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a basic beef stew. Here's the ingredients I used. You can use whatever you have left over in your fridge, from celery to potatoes to whatever. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is take my beautiful ingredients here and put them in the crock pot. The very first step is to put a little drizzle of olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. I like to add a healthy fat to the meal, although the grass-fed and finished beef has wonderful healthy fat on it. Set your slow cooker to really whatever is going to be best for your day. I did high on 6 hours and it was done at 5:30. So you're going to add your beef to your crock pot, and then mine was kind of stuck together, so chunk it out. And then as far as my vegetables go, I like chunky vegetables in a beef stew. So I chopped everything kind of rough. So here's your onion, put the onion in, and I had just a sweet Vidalia onion, so anything will work. A red onion will taste a little bit different, so I would try to go white or yellow if you can. And then from here on, I'm going to put my seasoning. So I used black pepper, and I generally tend to season my food heavily. My family likes a lot of flavor, so black pepper, some fine sea salt. I didn't do too much of that because I'm also going to add garlic salt. That stuff's good. It's going to elevate your meal. And I also put in garlic powder. So if you can't tell, my family loves garlic. And then after that, I use paprika. If you have hot Hungarian paprika, that's awesome. Paprika, parsley. Yeah, there we go. It's going to taste so good. And it smells so good already, even though it's not cooking yet. Just all the spices together smell so good. Okay, now my secret ingredient here, you're going to see, is something I typically put in barbecue pulled pork. It's ground mustard. That stuff is going to really, really, really make your beef taste great. So any beef meal, go ahead and add some ground mustard to it. Kick it up a notch, right? And you can really do this to, whatever are your favorite seasonings. If you really love something else, stick that in. If you hate mustard, don't put mustard in. You're not a big paprika fan, don't use it. Okay, drop your carrots. I'm adding a little bit of water here because I want a little bit of broth with my stew. I'm going to end up serving this over mashed potatoes. You can do it over rice too, or noodles. Noodles will be really good, like wide egg noodles. Go ahead and let that cook. And I would say probably about 45 minutes before your stew is done cooking, go ahead and add your vegetables that would get pretty mushy otherwise. So your potatoes, carrots, mushrooms. I added my carrots in the beginning, which I put them in and then I was like, oops, but whatever, it'll be fine. But if you like crunchier carrots, wait till the end. And then stir everything really well. Put the lid back on, let it finish cooking, and then look at this dinner. So easy. Enjoy.